Hi, welcome to Savoy Timber. My name's Lisa. I'm here today to show you just how easy it is to measure up for our Butt and Scribe service, sometimes called a mason miter, and we describe it ourselves sometimes as an invisible join. So I'm just going to show you, we've got an invisible join here. These two worktops are joined together, and I'm going to show you here our online form. So we're just going to zoom in there. This is what you'll be looking at and filling in online. So we're looking for A and B. There you go. I'm going to show you just exactly how to measure for that now. So I'm going to start with length A and take my tape measure, and I'm going to take the measurement from wall to wall. So we always need a wall to wall measurement. You don't need to think about the join or anything like that. We'll think about that for you. So you always take an end to end or wall to wall measurement. Take my tape measure along from wall to wall here. I'm just bringing it in. Now if you zoom in there, I'm going to take the measurement as 2635 millimetres. So I'm writing in there 2635 millimetres on A. And now I'm going to take the measurement on B here. So again, taking it into your wall. I always think if you're going to be renewing and putting new worktops in, to take your tape measure underneath your tiles or splashback. This measurement here, we're just going to zoom in again, is 1890 millimetres. Again, it's in millimetres that we expect you to fill in our form. Okay, so I've just filled in B. Just to zoom in here, we do normally recommend that you leave 10 millimetre overhang. This saves you trying to butt straight up to your cupboard, and it's a nice finish. That's what most joiners leave, is a 10 mil on there for you. Okay, so now what we need to think about is where we're going to position your join. Okay, so on here, I'm using this as reference. I'm just basically copying what we've done here. So we've got your join over. You notice it's away from a sink. So do try and keep your joins away from sinks and hobs, okay? So with this being here on the right hand side, I'm selecting right. You'll just tick right or left on our website. I'm filling this in so I can go back and fill it in online later. So there, that's it, as simple as that. We've also here got reference to our double joint. You can also see this form online. So basically using the same method to fill it in, but you just need to take a few more measurements. So you're going to start with A from here to here, B from here to here, and C from here to here. And again, you just need to pick a left or a right on both sides for this. Always remember that you're measuring from end to end and wall to wall. If you need any help and advice, we've got our helpful stuff online. He'll be able to run through if you have any queries, or if you need a little bit of help. You can give them a call in the office. Come into store. We've got 3 stores, one in Wigan, one in Preston and one in Blackpool. So feel free to come in and we can go through choices of worktops and how we can make it all work for you. Or you can always visit us at www.savoytimber.com. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.